નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we will start the new chapter, that is visualizing solid shapes. This is the chapter number 10 of standard 8. So in last class in standard 7 you have studied about the different types of the shapes, like you study about the solid shapes, right? So which kind of shapes are called the solid shapes? Solid shapes are the shapes which occupy some space, like sphere, then cube. This type of shapes are called the solid shapes. So basically there are two types of the shapes that we know. One is the plane figures and second one is the solid shapes. So plane figures, we know that if we draw here one of the triangle like this, then it is called a plane figure, because here only two dimensions are required to measure it. One more example let us take. Suppose there is a rectangle. This is also a two-dimension figure, because here only we require the two quantities, right? Like length and breadth. So we can call this type of shape as a two-dimension shape, 2D shapes, two-dimension shapes. Like we can also say that the circles, then quadrilaterals, then pentagon, hexagon, all that kind of shapes are, we can say that they are all are two-dimension shapes. Now solid shape means that kind of shape that we have taken an example, that the sphere and the cube. So if there is one kind of cube like this, then here we can see that this is the cube. Here we require three dimension to measure all its dimension. Like this is the length, we can say that this is the breadth, and this is the height, right? So this is one kind of the cube, and to measure it we required three dimensions. That is why this kind of shape is called the 3D shapes, and this kind of shape is also called the solid shapes, right? So this is one of the example of the solid shape, right? We can also see here that this is a box, right? This is a box of a shop. This is, again we can say that it is a solid shape, because to measure it we require three dimensions: length, breadth, and you can see that this is the third dimension, we can call it the height. So three dimensions are there: length, breadth, and height, right? So this is called the solid shape, right? So as here drawn here one of the cube, we can also draw here one of the cuboid like this. Okay, so which another shapes are there which we can call the solid shape? There are many other shapes, like we can call a sphere a 3D shape, right? Like sphere is like this. We cannot draw the solid shape of the sphere, but we can make it like this. Right? Now it will be look like a 3D shape. You can imagine that you have a cricket ball, then cricket ball is what? This is a sphere, that is a sphere, and that is an solid shape, because it occupies space. So cube, cuboid, sphere. Again one another shape is there, that is this kind of shape, that is a cone, right? This is also an 3D shapes. So many 3D shapes are there in we came across in our day-to-day life, right? So these are the solid shapes, and all solid shapes are called the 3D shapes, because they requires three dimensions to measure it, right? So this is the basic difference between the two dimension figures that are also called the plane figures and these all are the 3D shapes. They are called the solid shapes. Okay. So now there is a thing that it is not necessary that only this kind of shape are there. Many times we came across these some of the shapes which are the combination of the two solid shapes. Right? Like one of the example I am giving you, that suppose there is a ice cream cone. Then what will happen? This is a shape which is, we can say, a cone. Then there is a piece of ice cream on that cone. And which shape is this? This is a hemisphere shape. Hemisphere means this is a sphere, hemi means half sphere. So this half sphere is there on the top of the cone. So this will become the combination of the solid shapes. Which another kind of combination of the shapes are there? Now we can see one more example. Suppose there is a photo frame, and we know that photo frames are like this. Right? So this part is, we can say that is a solid shape, because in this place we have to put whatever the photo we require, but this space around it is called a solid shape, and it is the combination of two rectangles or two cuboids, right? This is the first cuboid, outside is the second cuboid. So it is one more example of the combination of the solid shapes, right? One more example we can take of the bowl, like this is one kind of the bowl. So it is again the combination of the two solid shape of the two hemispheres, right? This is a bowl. So these all are the combination of the solid shapes. So you can also find out this kind of the combination of the solid shapes around you. So think about it, find out it, and try to draw this kind of the shape, right? Okay. Now the thing is that we have to we have to observe these solid shapes. So there are basically three kind of views to observe the solid shapes. So the three views are called, the first view is called the front view, second kind of view is called the top view, and third is called the side view. Because every solid object, if we observe from different side, it will look different, right? So we can here classify the observation or views into the three different parts. One is the front view, second one is the top view, and third one is the side view. So from different perspective, they look different. Like we are taking an example of here one of the glass, right? So here if we can put this glass like this. So from here if you look, it will be called as a front view. If we look it from the top, it will call the top view, right? And from side if we look, it will call the side view. So this is the front view, this is the side view, and this is the top view, right? So let us try to find out it all view. So front view, if we look it from this, it will look like this. This is the front view, right? This is the front view. Now if we look it from the top, you can see that from the top if we look, it will look like a circle, right? So this is what, this is the top view. Again if we look it from the side, as this is a conical type of the shape, it will look same from the front view and side view, right? So from side view it will again look like this, right? So this is the side view. So these are the different method. If we look the same from the different side, it will look the different. Let us take one more example of this cuboid, right? If we put this cuboid like this, then this is its front view. This is, if you look from here, it will call the top view, and from this side, if you look, it will call the side view. So from here, if you look it is called a front view. So from front, it will look like this. This is front view, right? Now, if we look it from the top side, then we can see that it will look like this. This is top view, right? Front view is look like this, top view is look like this, and side view, see, side view is look like this. This is the side view. Okay, so these are the different shapes. See, from different perspective, this one solid shape is look different ways. So you can also try many of the shapes that you have. You can check how they are looks from the front view, top view, and side view. Okay, so this is the basic introduction of how we can visualize the solid shapes. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.